Hello everyone, I'm Martin from Project Alf, and today I'm here with another video that will take a deeper look on the objectives and the objectives roadmap and the journey maps. So after last video, a few of you have asked me if I can go deeper and explain how the objectives journey map is actually visualized, what are the breakpoints that kind of like drive how the chart looks like. So I have decided to go into this one. So without further ado, let's have a look on that. So we still have our sample product called the Security Titan. So if I go in there, what you will see is that I have a bunch of tasks. You all know them from the previous videos. But in this case, what I will do is that I will group the tasks by the group, there is only one grouping at the moment available, and that's by the objectives. And there are two objectives. First one is called zero churn from the login page. All of them are sample ones, as well as the tasks that are assigned to the objectives. And there is another one that is called fully secure product. What I will start with explanation is the first one, is the zero churn from the login page. In this case, there are only two tasks assigned to the objective. It's the recolored login page to be charming and the sparkles on the login page. All of them are in the draft state, as you can see. So if we switch to the objectives and we will go into the one that I was just talking about, you'll see that there is actually nothing happening yet. I'll move my video here. And if you drop down the tasks that are assigned into the objective, you'll see that nothing is going on simply because nothing has started. The line that is currently appearing in the middle of the chart actually counts together the duration of all the tasks that are assigned to the objective. So in this case, it's 8 days, simply because there are two tasks. One, I believe, is 5 days set to be the duration, and second one is 3 days. What I will do now is that one of the tasks I will start and switch from draft state into in progress. So let's do it. We'll go directly into progress, and we will keep the start date as it was. And then when we go to the objective, you can see that actually the objective has been, the fulfillment of the objective has been started, simply because the objective is actually set of its start date to be the start date of the first task in the objective on the timeline. And then the task on the timeline, I have started it. You can see that the date is 6 out of 6, which is actually the start date of the task that is in progress. So it is monitoring simply because we have this task to be in progress in the current date. System cannot indicate any kind of delays yet because there are none, and so on. So that is why we have the objective journey map line to be as it is right now. What I will do is that I will show you how the progress looks like on the little bit more complex objective that has more tasks assigned to it. So if you look at the second one, it has one task that is already done. It has another one that is already done. There is a bunch of them in progress, and there is some in draft. There is another one in draft. If I go to the objective itself, you can see that it gives me the overview of how many of them is already completed. And if I go into the tasks details, the objective line is a little bit more complex in here. So let's try to dive in and explain. So first, the objective started with the planned date and start date of the first task in there. In this case, it's 1305 of May, and that's architecture design in here. Then the task started, so that's why the line looks like this. And then there is a 1405, which is because the first task in there was just one mandate task. Then nothing was happening, no other tasks started until the update security libraries did, right? So again, the idle fulfillment actually counts all the duration of all the tasks all together and monitor how you are fulfilling them based on the start dates, based on what is in progress or what is done. So in this one, in this case, the date 20th of May is actually date of the start date of another task in here. This is why the line actually went straight up. This is it from my side. Thank you very much. Thanks for your attention. Hit the subscribe and the like button and see you in the next video.